Bitch, you getting nothing, Joker. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel if you're new.
If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon
so that you get notified every time we upload a brand new video. And today's video is gonna be a little different from what we usually do, and like
we will try to show you guys how you can
style
style a clean t-shirt in different ways, and I hope you guys will like it and enjoy it.
And make sure to watch till the end, guys. It's going to be very fun and helpful to you guys. So without further ado, let's get started.
So for the first look, we are just going to do a side tuck, which is really easy to do and it looks very nice and cool. So for that, you just basically need to tuck one side of the t-shirt, and yeah, that's it. It's quite simple, but it looks really nice and cool. So anybody can do this. It's like very easy. So that's it. So now for the next look, we are just going to tie a knot in the front, which is very simple, and this looks good. So you just need to gather all the material, all the cloth in the front, and just tie a simple knot. It's very simple, and that's it. You're done. It looks nice and it's very good, you know. For the oversized t-shirt that you have, you can just tie a knot and it looks really good. And if you guys don't know how to tie a knot, don't worry guys, we have another option for you also. So yeah, that's it. And you can just do another thing is you can just pull that extra material and just cover the knot like a bun, basically, as you can see it. And my sister, she likes to call it a rose. So yeah, that's it. It looks nice. You can, and another thing is you can just tug it, you know, and it gives you a crop look. And yeah, that looks quite well for oversized t-shirt. If you have any oversized t-shirt, you can try this, and it looks very nice, guys. And for the next look, you just need a rubber band, and this is basically for you guys if you don't know how to make a knot. So basically you can just gather all the material and tie it with the help of a hair tie or a rubber band, and you can just tuck that extra part inside your t-shirt and you're ready. That's it. It's quite simple and it looks very nice, and yeah, that's it. And now for the next look, what you need to do is just pinch a little bit of cloth inside the t-shirt, if that makes sense. And I think you guys can understand looking at this video. And yeah, that's it. It looks really cute. All you need to do is just gather the material, extra material, and just tug at the back. Make sure you tug it really well. And here, look is complete. It looks really cute. This is one of my favorite look to recreate, and I just love it. I just love the way it looks. Yeah, that's it. It's very simple and it looks very nice, guys. You should try it. And now for the next look, you need a bangle and a rubber band, and all you need to do is place the bangle inside the t-shirt, and you just need to like tie the bangle outside the t-shirt. I think the video will help you rather than my explanation, and you just need to tie it. and yeah, that's it. You just need to now just tug the t-shirt. If you want a crop t-shirt, you can just tug it that way, and the extra material you can just tug inside your bra, and it's very easy. It looks very nice and it's very unique. This is a very unique style. and it looks really nice. That's it guys, it's very simple. And now for the next look, all you need to do is just tie the two ends of the t-shirt and just make a knot at the side and just make a double knot, and you're ready to go. That's it guys. Now for the next look, we just want a simple, we are just doing a simple tug-in. Most of you guys know how to do this, as every one of you do this, right? So it's just tugging a t-shirt. Just tug all the t-shirt well inside a pant and you can go. It's ready to go. And now if you want a crop t-shirt but you are afraid of like cutting the t-shirt, all you can do is just tug the t-shirt inside your bra and make sure you tug it really well and even, and you have a crop t-shirt there and you can just crop it really well. Yeah, that's it. And now for the last look, which is very fancy, all you need to do is just gather the cloth or the material and just put the material through the bra or the thing, and you need to tug it. This is pretty self-explanatory rather than me explaining it to you guys. I guess you have understood by now. And yeah, that's it. It looks very nice, and if you want to do a photo shoot at home, you can just wear this t-shirt this way and just click some pictures. It looks really good. That's it guys.
So guys, this was it for today's video,
And we hope you guys enjoyed. If you
and
enjoy it, make sure to give a big thumbs up. And
don't forget to subscribe, please guys. We need your support.
that was it for today's video. And
And
see you in the next
next
video.
video.
Till then, take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
peace.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where